My name is George Soros. Many people call me a financial crocodile, while others call me a philosopher and investor. But I know that I have always been that Jewish boy who learned the art of survival under the threat of a Nazi gun.
Welcome to the
My
land
real
of
life
dreams.
only began at 17. That year in Budapest, I survived the Nazi manhunt. My father taught me that rules can be broken and that survival is the highest law. This became the first lesson of my investment philosophy. At 26, when I broke into Wall Street with $5,000, I already had a deep understanding that the market was like a temporary Budapest, full of illusions and biases. During the day, I analyzed stocks, and at night, I reread my mentor, Karl Popper, frantically writing down my theory of reflexivity in my notebook. My real first pot of gold came at the age of 43. It wasn't luck, but a victory of philosophy. Staring at financial reports, I saw the cognitive feedback loop behind bank stocks. Cross-shareholding inflated stock prices, which were then used as collateral for loans. Isn't this the perfect manifestation of reflexivity? I made a bold decision. First, I went long to push up the bubble, and when everyone firmly believed in it, I turned around and shorted it. In 2 years, the fund's net worth tripled, and my quantum fund established a firm footing. But the battle that truly made me a legend happened when I was 62. This was not speculation, but an inevitability. I was lying on a sofa in a London hotel, smiling at the economic data. Britain, for the sake of maintaining face, joined the European exchange rate mechanism.
Hello?
But its weak economy simply couldn't support the high value of the pound. An irreconcilable rift had appeared between the fundamentals and perception. I gave the order to short the pound with full force. When the Bank of England exhausted its foreign exchange reserves and the pound depreciated, we made $1 billion. The Economist said I broke the Bank of England. At 67, I stirred up a financial storm in Asia, while Southeast Asian countries were immersed in the bubble of their economic miracle. The Thai baht's exchange rate, pegged to the US dollar, had already severely deviated from its weak economic fundamentals. I acted decisively, ultimately leading to the collapse of the baht. This battle earned me the label of a financial predator. However, at 68, I invested heavily in Russian bonds, and the subsequent default caused me a heavy loss. I used the same method of analysis, yet I ignored the most crucial variable. People can play their cards in unpredictable ways. To the young entrepreneurs out there, in truth, your mental model is more important than your startup capital. I broke into Wall Street armed with a philosophy, and that is the sharpest weapon, to find the cracks in the system. All great opportunities are hidden in the mismatch between perception and reality. When everyone says, "It has always been this way," that is when you should be vigilant. Respect the rules, but always be prepared for them to be broken. Whether it's market policies or technological revolutions, the only constant is change itself. To survive is more important than anything. My father, under the Nazi gun, taught me this. In every financial crisis, I revisit this truth.